Now, today I want to explain something, some few points today. We decided to focus mainly on social media marketing, and there are several things that I learned. So I decided today that I'm going to share with you. Now, one thing people don't know is if you have a website, there has to be a way of how you can integrate the website to the social media pages. And then there has to be a way of how you can make money through the website. One of the ways of making money through the website is integrating it with a site called Google AdSense. Now, Google AdSense is a site that monetizes the website and is able to show you the impressions and clicks that of the way the website is performing. So after Google AdSense, another thing you have to integrate it to is called also Google Ads. Now, once you have the website and you integrate the website to Google Ads, what usually happens in AdSense? Adverts are usually placed on your website. So when the adverts are placed on the website, anybody who visits your website is able to, anyone who visits your website earns a commission, especially when somebody purchases a product from the advertisement from either Google AdSense or Google Ads. These are one of the things which many people don't know. Okay, I was taught this thing. I never knew it for quite a very long time. So one thing I realized, having a website only is not just enough. You need to monetize your website and have it make money. Okay, apart from the website, there's also YouTube. Now, YouTube, you connect it also to the Google AdSense so that every impression, every view that you get, you're able to earn an income. Yeah, Google pays, YouTube pays according to different kind of clicks, which is called CTR, it's called CTR. Now, what usually happens is anybody who is in the business finance, or anybody who is any person who is in comedy, or any person who is in the business finance, Google pays much more higher to people who own finance channels, yeah, or people who own things like insurance. But somebody who is into comedy, maybe I think the cost is usually $1 per view, and the person who is, I think, on healthcare insurance gets about $4 per view. That's something which most people don't really know. These are very, very advanced kind of basics. So it means that you have to learn it with time. It's a very, very broad way of doing things. Now, before I used to have the website and I had not integrated it to Google AdSense or Google Ads, but as you can see, I'm starting to see some differences. Like, for example, if you come to my Google AdSense here, for example, here, when I connected YouTube and my website, I began to notice some changes. Like, for example, when you come here to the CPC here, CPC is here. It means cost per clicks. As you can see, it is 0.38. Yeah, that is the euros. And then when you come to the RPM, which is here, it means revenues per 1,000 clicks. You can see it is €1.60. So as you can see there, at least I'm beginning to see some change, because this is not how my AdSense was looking like. So what happens is, once you reach the threshold, which is $70 here, you're able to get the payments. So when you come to payments here, that's when you click here on payments. You must be able to integrate your bank account with Google AdSense. So once it reaches $70 here, that is when you're able to get the money. Now, another thing which people don't know that I want to explain from YouTube is like for example, if you go to my YouTube account here, for example, if you go to YouTube here, this is my YouTube account. Come somewhere, you come somewhere here. You should also have it attached with YouTube Studio. Yeah, you click here on YouTube Studio. When you come to YouTube Studio, it is able to show you the number of views that you're getting. Like for example, in the last 28 days, I was able to get 149 new subscribers. And then you can see here, it's already past 250,000 views. I managed to get 250,000 views in 3 weeks. So when you now come here to monetization, people, this is where I'll be very, very critical. Yeah. When you come to monetization, first, you should have a threshold of 1,000 subscribers here. And then two-step verification. You should be able to pass that with these green ticks, you see, as you can see here. And then you should not have any community guideline strikes. You see, like for example, here I don't have any. Okay, another thing you should have is 4,000 watch time hours. So I was only able to get 407, which means this channel is still growing. Despite I started being active with this channel last year, but this year I've been more aggressive. So when you come here, for example, to the channel, another thing I noticed when you want to grow your YouTube channel, for example, when you come here, okay, this is 149 subscribers, 752.9 watch time hours. So I think with time that will be later transferred to it will add more watch time hours on the same. And then here you can see 118,000 views, as you can see here as well. So in the last 48 hours, I managed to get 7,175 views. So what I want to show you also is when it comes to the content which is here. Let's say, for example, something that I noticed that is very, very helpful. Yeah, trying to go backwards. Like for example, if you come here to the channel again, yeah, you come here, then you come to the channel. Something I wanted to show briefly. This is something I managed. I noticed. Okay, maybe I'll pause that for a moment.